In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uncheck all in Notion in just a few seconds. This is one of those small productivity tricks that can save you a surprising amount of time, especially if you work with to-do lists, habit trackers, or project checklists inside Notion. If you've ever had a long list of completed checkboxes and wished you could reset them all at once instead of clicking one by one, this video is exactly what you need. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Notion tips like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page that contains the checklist you want to reset. This can be any Notion page with checkboxes, whether it's a personal task list, a daily routine, or a shared workspace document. Once you're on the correct page, make sure all the checkboxes you want to uncheck are visible on your screen. Now the next step is to select all the checkboxes at the same time. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the entire list so that every checkbox item is highlighted. You can also use your keyboard shortcut by clicking at the top of the list, holding Shift, and then clicking the last checkbox in the list. This will select everything in between. On Mac, you can also press Command+A if the page only contains the checklist items. On Windows, that would be Control+A. The key point is that all the checkbox blocks need to be selected together. Once all the checkboxes are selected, here's the simple trick that most people don't realize. Click on just one of the selected checkboxes. When you do this, Notion automatically applies that action to every selected checkbox at the same time. So if the boxes were checked, clicking once will uncheck all of them instantly. And just like that, your entire checklist is reset in one move. There's no need to install templates, no extensions, and no complicated settings. This works because Notion treats checkboxes as blocks, and any action you apply to one selected block applies to all selected blocks. This same method also works in reverse. If all your checkboxes are unchecked and you want to check them all at once, you can select them and click a single checkbox to mark them all as completed. It's a really handy trick for recurring workflows. If you're using Notion for daily planning or weekly reviews, this can save you a lot of repetitive clicking over time. One quick tip to keep in mind is that this works best with standard checkbox blocks, not database checkbox properties. If you're inside a database like a table or board, the behavior can be different depending on the view. But for regular Notion pages with checklist blocks, this method works perfectly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to uncheck all in Notion in just a few seconds using a simple selection trick. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.